Yeah, so, oh, let me just find a pair of scissors first. Oh, Jesus. I am unprepared. Alright, so, got scissors there. We're not gonna start with these, but I'm just gonna get this annoying packaging out the way. There we go. Beautiful. VOLCANION. Even though I wanted the Epita pack. Cool. That's fine, you know? Just mess with my feelings and everything, you know? It's no, I'm playing. It really doesn't matter. And another... Okay, I'm just gonna assume they're all gonna come VOLCANION packs, but they're just teasing with this. I know it's a lie, because I've actually opened up God of War and Epita and Xerneas, because I got the box and they come with 2 each, so thanks for that. Letdown. Whatever, let's get started. Alright. Okay, honestly, I don't like opening these packs at all. Card tip is right there. Just the French side. Let's open the English side. These that are confused. Got plank. Oh no, didn't cut enough. Oh, see, this is where it gets scary. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? Yeah. It's all good, guys. Like I said, I am new to this. This is my first dollar store pack, so hoping they're real, or else all this effort would have been useless. Oh, okay. So, okay, yeah. 3 cards. Let's go. First card. Holographic Volcarona. Ooh, yeah. Sorry, guys. I really don't know butcher names. I love Pokemon. I like hollows. And what is that? Reverse art Litleo. Oh, he looks badass. I might have to put that in my deck. I avoided Litleos. In the box I got like 8. But like damn, this one looks nice. Okay. And a Regirock rare. And normal. It's cool. I'll probably trade this to my friend. I traded him my Regice. Normal rare. Yeah. Awesome. Shoot. I only have like 2 plastics left. Like I said, I just started getting cards. I only have 2 plastics left. VOLCANION and a plain red one. I used to use my Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Damn. Okay, let's go. I was watching like a bunch of card openings, and I'm not used to the card trick. Oh no, damn it. No, you know what? I will. Oh, one trick I did learn though. If you get this card in the booster pack, it is pretty much guaranteed full art, holo rare, secret art. Like, oh my, I don't know the ratings of all the names. Like I said, I'm a noob. But hey, this is there. And don't bother taking that code because I do play online. Like I said, that's where I started. Oh, I don't know what to do. Shit, whatever. We're just gonna go. This is my first video, so whatever. We will do this. Drift Blim. Cares. Hollow Apom. Nope, sorry. Not hollow. I just got shine here. A Mankey. Shylox. Krogunk. Reverse art Meryl. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh. Yo man. Yo, this card right here, this is the clue. This is the result. Oh, yeah. You're getting a plastic for sure. You don't, oh my god, you don't. Oh, man. Freaking, okay, last 4 it seems? Okay, I'll remember that. But Jesus. Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. Volcanion EX. I already run 2 Volcanions in my deck, so like this is just freaking perfect. Oh, finish off the rest. We got a Bravery, Nuzleaf, Armor Fossil Shelleon. Oh, that Volcanion EX. Woohoo, boy! I am fucking happy. I am freaking off the Chizards right now, bro. I'm loving it. Oh, don't. Oh, yo. That's it again. That is the card. The clues. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and kablam. What was it, guys? What was it? That and that. So I'm hoping that was right. Okay. Nidoran, Oshawott, Poniard. I know that's Bishop's lower form. Tangela, original Joltik. Love these guys. Clang. These guys are clutch. Clang. Special Charge. Inferno. A Kling. And what's the last card? We have one more. Reverse Art Dual type Shiny Bisharp. Nice. I am not upset with that at all. That actually fits my card organization description. I usually put hollows and reverse hollows in the red pack as much as I have, and the new Volcanion packs I got, I'll put the sick cards. But oh my god, yeah, Volcanion EX, man. Damn, yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my, like I said again, this is my first YouTube video, and maybe one day I will introduce you to everybody.